Here are the top 10 most dangerous dog breeds. Number 10. Alaskan Malamute. Strong and independent. They can be dangerous if not trained. Number 9. Husky. Powerful and energetic. They need experienced owners. Number 8. Doberman Pinscher. Loyal and protective, but can be aggressive if not socialized. Number 7. Bull Mastiff. Giant with natural guarding instincts. Number 6. Rottweiler. Strong and protective, needs firm training. Number 5. American Bulldog. Muscular and can be aggressive without proper discipline. Number 4. German Shepherd. Intelligent but protective, needs the right training. Number 3. Dogo Argentino. Fearless protectors, can be aggressive if not socialized. Number 2. Pit Bull Terrier. Often misunderstood, they need love and discipline. And number 1. Caucasian Shepherd. Fiercely protective, can be dangerous if not controlled. Which breed surprised you? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.